Hi YouTube, in this video we are going to discuss the 29 best cloud storage services of 2020. Before we do that, I just want to go over some things so we can figure out what the best cloud storage service is for you so you can have a better idea once we're going down the list. You have many options for cloud storage providers. There are several factors to keep in mind when considering. This all depends on your specific purpose. The first thing we usually look for is storage size. How much data can you store on a particular storage cloud service? The amount of storage varies by price. Most cloud storage services offer some free but limited storage. Other than storage size, another factor is a single individual file upload limit. How large of a file can you upload to the cloud storage? For instance, let's say you work with video files and you're trying to upload one large video file of 5 gigabytes. In this case, you need a cloud storage service with a larger upload file size limit of 5 gigabytes or greater. If you need online storage as a photo cloud, don't worry about the file size upload limit. As long as you are not a professional print photographer, you should be fine. Is a single individual file upload limit important to you? Then you might also want to consider file sharing capabilities. What is the max file transfer or send size limit? Meaning, how big of a file are you allowed to send or transfer to someone else? Some people need cloud services to collaborate or do remote work. Another factor of importance to many people when choosing cloud storage is privacy. It is good practice to be mindful of your data. Some people want their data completely anonymous and kept in encrypted storage. Does the cloud storage service company guarantee privacy protection and encryption technology? Last questions you should know the answer to before you move on. Are you looking for cloud storage to back up a computer, tablet, or mobile phone? Or are you looking for cloud storage to store personal files and documents, so more like photos and things like that? Keep in mind, some of these services offer discounts if you pay yearly instead of month to month. This article consists of days of extensive internet research. There are many options available for online storage and free online storage. After narrowing them down, these are the results. The cloud service providers listed here are the best cloud storage services of 2020. If you manage or run a business, there is also a list for you. For those of you on a limited budget, we have you covered with the best free cloud services of 2020. Here is the list of cloud services. However, keep reading to find out how they all rank in 3 different categories: consumer, personal, business, and free. Okay, so here's the list. Best cloud storage services of 2020. It's why you clicked on the video. These are not listed in any particular order. The research has been done, and it's up to you to figure out which of these work best for you. But at the end, we have chosen the top 5 for free, which ones we think are the best top 5 cloud services for free, which ones are the best for personal reasons, and which are the best for businesses. Be aware that most companies offer a significant discount if you pay for the full year. If you're looking to download mobile apps, they can usually be found at the bottom of the company's website. Okay, number 1, iDrive. iDrive offers 5 gigs of free disk space. So 5 gigs of free cloud drive. That's pretty good. It's unlimited file size limit on if you use the iDrive desktop application. iDrive can be trusted. They started in California in 1995, so they've been at the forefront of the data backup industry. Historically, they're trustworthy. Their consumer plans start at $1.44 a month for 2 terabytes, but that's with the first year promotion. All the links will be listed below. Anyhow, it's normally 1 terabyte, 1.25 terabytes for $49.95 a month. We also have their business plan starting at 250 gigabytes for $74.62 for a year, all the way up to, well, let's say 1 terabyte, 1.25 terabytes for business for $374.62 for the first year. Big Mind Zools, number 2. They offer 1 gigabyte of free gig space. They're compatible across all devices. They're based in the UK and England. They've been around since 2011. They're trusted by businesses like Canon, Dell, Acer, and Harvard Library. Their consumer plans start at 100 gigabytes for $2.99 a month. That's $35.88 a year to 1 terabyte for $12.99 a month with $155.88 a year. And that includes HD streaming. Business plans start at $15 a month for $180 a year, 100 gigs, and then 1 terabyte, 500 users for $40 a month or $480 a year. Daegu, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but Daegu, I really like this one. Their free space is 100 gigabytes of free space, plus you get 5 extra gigabytes per friend that you refer, all the way up to 500 gigabytes of free cloud. That's amazing. They also have an app that offers free Wi-Fi passwords and hotspots, and you can download that app. They're compatible across all devices. They're based in Sweden, and they've been around since 2012. Daegu, they're Swedish engineered. They have zero knowledge encryption. They have end-to-end encryption, and they offered AI-powered photo storage. You can get 500 gigabytes from them for $299 a month, and that's $35.88 a year, or 10 terabytes for $9.99 a month, or $119.88 a year, and that's for unlimited devices. MediaFire, number 4. Free space. You get up to 10 gigabytes of free storage. Not bad. And that's 20 gigs file size limit, obviously with a paid plan. Started in Texas in 2006. You can get it for, if you want to do the paid plans, it's 1 terabyte for $375 a month and $45 a year. Or for the business, it's 100 terabytes, and that's $40 a month or $480 a year. MediaFire, they've been around. They're known for media online streaming. Number 5, WeTransfer. A lot of collaborators and people in the music industry and kind of the people who like to collaborate. Anyhow, it's popular. WeTransfer, it's popular with them. There's no storage on WeTransfer. It's more of a transfer. You upload a file and you can send it to someone else. So you can send 2 gigabytes for free. On the paid plans, you can send up to 20 gigabytes. They're based in Amsterdam. They've been around since 2009. And so for $12 a month, you get 1 terabyte of storage, and that's $120 a year. And yeah, you can send up to 20 gigabytes, and that's WeTransfer. Number 6, JumpShare. Okay, JumpShare is 2 gigabytes of free space. You can upload up to 250 megabyte files. Their plus plans is 20 gigabyte file size limits. Business plans, there's no file size upload limit. They started in California. They've been around since 2011. And this is another good one for collaborating. And you can do 1 terabyte a month for $8.25 a month for 1 terabyte. Or for their business plan for $12.50 a month, you get 2 terabytes. Number 7, Let's Upload. This one is interesting because they offer unlimited free space, or 100 terabytes of free space with a 11.2 gigabyte file upload limit. So you can upload files to share without an account, but if you sign up, get a 11.2 gigabyte upload limit with your free account. Anyhow, with the premium, you can upload up to 120 gigabytes. So Let's Upload offers 3 accounts. A non-account, which is just you can upload files and send them. A registered account. The non-registered account, meaning the guest account, your files are removed after 30 days of inactivity. And then if you register, then your files you have an account, your files are removed after 60 days of inactivity. Otherwise, you can sign up for $8.99 a month. That's $99.99 a year. And yeah, you have unlimited storage. So Let's Upload is pretty interesting. It's pretty cool. That's $100 and you have unlimited storage, $100 a year, and you're set. So anyhow, let's move on. Number 8, JotaCloud. JotaCloud, you get 5 gigs of free space. You can back up any device with it. Office Online is included in all plans, even the free sign up. And they're from Oslo, Norway. They've been around since 2008. And let's see, they offer their personal is $9.99 a month or $99 a year. And you get unlimited storage space. JotaCloud Home, you get 1 terabyte of shared storage you have to share with 5 people, and that's $6.99 or $69.90 a year. Well, business is 5 gigs for 2 users. Oh, they have a business free account, and you get 5 gigabytes for 2 users. And business small, 1 terabyte for $9.99 a month. That's $119.88 a year, all the way up to business large, which is $32.99 a month for 1 terabyte and $395.88 a year. Number 9, IceDrive, free space. Free space is 10 gigabytes. And you can use, I guess, up to 3 gigs of daily bandwidth on the free plan. They're based in the UK. They've been around since 2018. You can stream your video and audio directly from the cloud. So they offer their light plan, which is $1.67 a month for 150 gigs or $19.99 a year. They also have this option, which is a lifetime plan, a one-time payment. So you just pay once and forever you have a cloud space with them for 150 gigs. Pro is 1 terabyte for $4.17 a month or $49.99 a year. Or you could do the lifetime plan of one-time payment and you have a 1 terabyte cloud drive with them, and that's 3 years worth of their plan. So you normally want to keep your data, you keep it wherever and it stays there for years or whatnot. So their lifetime plans are not a bad idea. You could do Pro, and that's 5 terabytes for $15 a month or $179.99 a year. And once again, they offer a lifetime plan of $499. So meaning for $500, you have a 5 terabyte cloud account for the rest of your life. And I know, time passes by and it just seems like files just keep getting bigger and drives keep getting bigger, and who knows what 5 terabytes will be like. A couple of years from now, might be looking at 5 terabytes and thinking how small of 5 terabyte amount of data is. Anyhow, moving on to number 10 is Apple iCloud. Everyone knows Apple iCloud. You get free 5 gigs. Actually, I think you get 5 gigs if you are an Apple user. You get 5 gigs. I think with the iCloud, if I'm not mistaken, if you're a Windows user, I believe you only get 1 gigabyte. But anyhow, moving on, they have a 50 gigabyte max file size limit. This is probably the easiest option if you have an iPhone or iPad or Mac. And you can get on the sharing plan. So if you're on a family sharing plan and purchase a $2.99 or $9.99 a month plan, you can share your storage space with up to 5 other family members. So it's 50 gigabytes for 99 cents a month or $11.88 a year. So if you don't have that much, 50 gigs really, nowadays is not really that much. But that's if you're on a budget, 50 gigs and you have an iPhone, or 200 gigs for $2.99 a month or $35.88 a year. Or the 2 terabytes, and that's $9.99 a month or $119.88 a year. Number 11, SkyDrive. They offer free 1 gigabyte of free space. They're compatible across all devices. It's not to be confused with Microsoft OneDrive, which was originally named SkyDrive. What do they offer? For $1 a month, you can get up to 5 gigs, let's say, and then 1 terabyte is $25 a month. So yeah, that's SkyDrive. Let's move on to Sync. Sync offers 5 gigs of free space, unlimited transfer limits. They've been around since 2011, based in Canada. Over 750,000 business and individuals use Sync, from the New Yorker, TripAdvisor, Fujifilm, and more. So they offer end-to-end encryption. Their personal storage is 2 terabytes for $8 a month. So that's not bad. $96 a year, all the way up to 4 terabytes for $15 a month. Their business plans start at 1 terabyte for $5 a month, all the way up to 10 terabytes for $15 a month. So yes. Let's move on. Number 13, it's Yandex. Yandex Disk. Try to say that 10 times really fast. They offer 10 gigabytes of free space. That's pretty sweet. 5 gigs of max file size. They're based in Russia. They've been around since 2012. They give you free access to Microsoft Office Online, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right into your browser without installing them onto your computer. So let's check them out. You get 100 gigabytes for $2 a month. That's $20.40 a year. And all the way up to 3 terabytes for $30 a month or $300 a year. That's Yandex. Number 13, Blump. Blump is your free cloud storage. You get 20 gigs. Man, that's sweet. 20 gigs of free space. And you also get an extra 20 gigs per friend that you refer, up to 200 gigabytes. And that's 50 gigabyte max file size. They're actually in a beta stage. It's Blump beta. It says when you go to their website at the moment of filming this video, of this article. And if you go for the paid plans, you can get 250 gigabytes for 99 cents a month. That's $12 a year, 250 gigs, all the way up to 10 terabytes for $9.99 a month. That's $120 a year. It's not bad, Blump, for the free storage. That's pretty good. Number 14, Tresor. I'm not sure how to pronounce Tresor. No free storage. What they do offer is 5 gigabytes of transfer. So like WeTransfer. They've been around since 2011. They're from Switzerland. They offer secure end-to-end encryption. They got ultra secure cloud. All these Switzerland-based clouds have really great security. Their personal is 200 gigabytes a month for 200 gigabytes for $12.50 a month. That's $125 a year. There are 2 terabytes. It's $30 a month, $288 a year. Business starts at 1 terabyte, and that's $25 a month, all the way up to big companies with over 100 people for $30 a month. Number 15, Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service. This is a weird one, how they do their pricing. It's sort of like a la carte. You choose the amount of cloud storage that you need. And Alibaba, they've been around since 2009. And yeah, they offer free gigs of free space. They're based in China. Otherwise, it's a cent. You can see it's 100 gigabytes for $1.85 a month, or 1 terabyte for $18.50 a month. Did the math for you there. Brixit, number 16, Brixit 24. You get 5 gigs of free space for business accounts. You get unlimited users. And they consider themselves a social enterprise network that's 100% free to small businesses under 12 employees. So Brixit is good for small companies. You get 10 gigabytes for $19 a month, $228 a year. Unlimited users for $159 a month or $1,900 a year. So Brixit is good for small businesses and businesses. Anyhow, it's 17. Moving on. Dropbox. It's a long list. So free space, you get 2 gigabytes. You get 50 gigabyte file size limit. And their business accounts is their professional account, 3 terabytes for $19.99 a month. Standard 5 terabytes for $15 a month. And they're advanced with 3 or more users, unlimited gigabytes for $25 a month. And yeah, Dropbox was the first commercially personal cloud storage available for regular consumers. Dropbox was the first commercially available personal cloud storage. Anyhow, bring your files and the cloud content together. So a lot of people use Dropbox. Everyone knows Dropbox. Moving to number 18, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive, you get free space, 5 gigabytes of free space with 100 gigabyte file size limit. If you sign in with work or school account, the max file that you can transfer is 15 gigs. Originally released as Windows Live SkyDrive, Office apps and Skype are included in the yearly play plans. You get 100 gigs for $1.99 a month or $23.88 a year. And then their other plans, 1 terabyte for $6.99 a month. That one includes all the Office apps and Skype. The other family plan, formerly, you get 6 terabyte total. 1 terabyte per person, and that includes all the Office apps. They also have business plans, 1 terabyte per user for $5 a month. Business plan 2, that's unlimited cloud storage for $10 a month. They also have their business standard, that's 1 terabyte per user, that includes all the apps for $15 a month. Number 19, Amazon Drive. You get 5 free gigs. Everyone knows Amazon. They've been around since 2011 with the Drive. And formerly known as Amazon Cloud Drive. They also have a la carte plans, but 100 gigabytes for $19.99 a year or 1 terabyte for $59.99 a year. You can go on the website and choose other plan options and prices. Number 20, Google Drive with Google One. You get free 15 gigs of free space. You have a 10 gig file size limit. Now, Google Drive is the storage, and then Google One is the service where you can go and you can upgrade your Google Drive storage. So, yeah, to summarize, you create a Google Drive account or use your Gmail account if you already have one. Next, you can upgrade to your Google Drive account from your free 15 gig or 100 gigabyte or greater by signing up to Google One. And you get 100 gigabytes for $1.99 a month or $20 a year, all the way up to 30 terabytes for $2.99 a month. But anyhow, Google Drive, and everyone knows Google. Number 21, Pcloud. Pcloud, you get 10 gigabytes of free space. You can also send 5 gigabytes for free without signing up. What do you get? Upload files of unlimited size, but it has a transfer limit of 500 gigabytes per month for premium users. They're based in Switzerland. They've been around since 2013. And they're used by people working at Twitter, Nike, Coke, Instagram, and Uber. Personal for $47.88. What is it? $47.88 per year, or one payment of $175 for lifetime, and you get 500 gigs. So 2 terabytes for $95.88 a year, or pay one time $350, and you have a storage on the cloud. Family plans start at 2 terabytes for $350, and their business plans are 1 terabyte for $29.97 a month. Number 22, Mega. So Mega, you get 50 gigabytes of free space. Wow. You can download and file size limits are as large as your plan. They're based in New Zealand. They've been around since 2013. Mega was created by the now defunct and controversial Mega Upload. So there was a lot of controversy with Mega Upload. Got shut down by the U.S. Department of Justice years ago, but they've moved on from that, and now they offer cloud storage, and you can get 50 free gigs, or for $5.40 a month, you can get 400 gigabytes of storage. For $10.81 a month, you can get 2 terabytes of storage a month, all the way up to 16 terabytes for $32.46 a month. And number 23, that's Box. You get 10 gigs of free space, 250 megabyte file upload limit for free plan. That's probably not going to help a lot of you out there, but they've been around since 2005. They're from California, the US, and a lot of people do know Box as well. Their personal plan is 100 gigs for $10 a month, and you can get business starts at 100 gigs for $5 a month, all the way up to Business Plus for companies with that want unlimited storage, 3 or more users, for $25 a month. Enterprise is for super large companies, and that's $35 a month, or for $420 a year. Moving on to Syncplicity, number 4. You get 10 gigabytes of free space, unlimited file size. They're also based in California, and they've been around since 2008. So Syncplicity was founded by 3 former Microsoft employees, and I guess they're good for mid-size or large companies. So it's you can get 100 gigs from them for your personal for $5 a month, or their business account is 300 gigs for $5 a month. And that's pretty good. They offer enterprise and U.S. government plans. Moving on to number 25, that's Zoho. Zoho offers 5 gigs of free space, 1 gig file size upload limit. They're based in India. They've been around since 96. They've been around for a while. And you can get 100 gigabytes for $5 a month. That's $48 a year, or 1 terabyte for $8 a month, or $76.80 a year. But they do have upload limits, so watch those. Cozy, number 26. You get 5 gigs of free space. They're based in France. They've been around since 96. Now they are a unique cloud storage that meets they're European-based. Cozy is a unique cloud storage meets personal finance app. So you get 5 gigs of free storage, and it can automatically import your bank statements and bills from service providers in Europe. So this is more of a European-based, but it's on the list because they are a trusted cloud service, and you get 50 gigs for €299 a month, and that's about $3 US as well, or 1 terabyte for €998 euros a month. That was Cozy. Number 27 is Kufur, and they're from Slovenia, and this one's also a European-based company, and I guess they charge you in euros, but it's about the same because their paid plans start at 10 gigs a month, or 10 gigs for 50 cents a month, and that comes out, or 50 euros a month, and that comes out to about 54 cents. But anyhow, you get 10 free gigs from them, and you can back up all your stuff. So 10 gigs, 50 cents, a month, or $6.54 a year, to 1 terabyte for 10 euros a month. So about 120 euros a year, about $120 a year. Number 28, Yahoo Mail. Okay, this one's interesting. Yahoo Mail offers 1 terabyte of free space, but it's not what you think. It's not cloud storage. It's in their email. And they actually used to be linked to Flickr. The Flickr is it's a photo sharing app. But anyhow, you can still get benefits from that Yahoo Mail. You can link a Dropbox to your Yahoo Mail, and you can manage and transfer large files within your Yahoo Mail. So what you can do is create folders on your Yahoo Mail, and you can email yourself important files or large files and large folders, and you can keep folders and files of important documents that you need. You can keep them stored on your Yahoo Mail. You have 1 terabyte free of data. And then number 29, and that's Flickr. And yeah, Flickr used to be linked to Yahoo. So sorry for everyone who missed out on that. You could get 1 terabyte free of ultra high quality image. Your photos would have been in perfect, like the highest quality photos. You could store them on Flickr, and you could get 1 terabyte for free through your Yahoo account. But that's not the deal anymore. But you can still get 1,000 photos stored onto your Flickr account. So you can create a Flickr account, and you can back up 1,000 photos worth onto a Flickr account. So I mean, it's awesome. They're also an online photo sharing community. And Flickr, you can get Flickr for $6.99 a month, and that's $60 a year. So here's 2 bonus. There are several Chinese big companies that offer free large cloud storage. Most of their websites and apps are in Chinese. If you wish to check them out, you might need to use a translation extension on your browser. Tencent Weiyun. Okay. They've been around since 1998. You can get, from what we've seen online, you can get from 10 gigabytes to 10 terabytes from them. According to Wikipedia, Tencent Weiyun is the world's largest video game company. This Chinese multinational conglomerate created WeChat, Weibo, and QQ Instant Messenger, Tencent Games, Tenpay, which is similar to PayPal, and more. So you can look up online and how to get, if you wish to pursue the 10 free terabytes. Apparently you sign up, you're going to need a QQ account or a WeChat account on a mobile phone, and then you sign up and you can unlock the 10 gigabyte to 10 terabytes. There's tutorials online that apparently show you how to do it in case it's in Chinese and you can't figure it out. And then number 31 is Baidu Wangpan. Baidu Wangpan, from what's seen on the web, you can get up to 2 terabytes of free space. And they're from China. They've been around since 2012. Baidu is the largest search engine in China. So it's the Google of China. Google Drive and Dropbox are banned in China. So Baidu Wangpan offers similar features. You sign up, you create a Baidu account. Once you receive verification email, you download and install the Baidu mobile app. You log into the Baidu mobile app, and you confirm that you claimed 2 additional, and you confirm it, and then you can claim your 2 additional terabytes of cloud storage. And these, I mean, use at your own discretion, these Chinese ones, because obviously you're not going to be able to get any clear support if you upload your files and you have issues. And now to the conclusion, to our picks. So our top picks for the top free cloud storage services are Digu. So Digu for free for 100 gigabytes to 500 gigs. Let's Upload and that's 100 terabytes for free. That's amazing. Mega, 50 gigabytes for free. Blump, 20 gigabytes to 200 gigabytes. And Google Drive, it's only 15, but you know you can trust Google. I mean, some people might argue, but you know, your Google Drive is most likely going to be the safest out of everything on here, considering Google runs the world. Anyhow, moving on to the top 5 personal cloud storage services. So these are the paid accounts. iDrive for 2 terabytes for $52.12. That's $52.12 a year. Blump, 250 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. So that's $11.88 a year or $36.88 a year, $36.88 a year. Digu, 500 gigabytes for $35.88. Mediafire, that's 1 terabyte for $45. Pcloud, 500 gigs for $47.88 or 2 terabytes for $95.88. And as a side note, Google Drive is actually a decent choice as well if you need paid unlimited storage on a monthly basis. Also consider JotaCloud and Let's Upload. So here's our top picks for the top 5 business cloud storage services, and that's iDrive, BigMindZools, Mediafire, Syncplicity, and Box. And as another note, Google Drive Enterprise would probably be a good option, but you have to get in touch with Google in order to get more information. So in conclusion, there are many great options for cloud storage, even though we narrowed them all down to 5 in each category. All the top 29 clouds listed here are winners. So it all comes down to how much storage do you really need? And that's it. That's really it. I mean, what are you using it for and how much storage do you need? And so YouTube, let us know, are you or will you be using any of these services? Please let us know in the comments below. Hopefully you found this video useful and hopefully you stuck around through this whole thing. If you did, good job. Good job, everyone out there. And thank you so much. Please leave a comment, click a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for everything. Thanks for sticking with us.